Hi everyone, Said It All You Cars. Today we've got this 2010 Toyota RAV4. This one's a 2-litre XTR with the 7-speed automatic gearbox, 62,000 miles, and just the one lady on it from new. It's finished in Astral Black. It's got the RAV4 exterior pack bumper, the 18-inch alloys, the genuine roof bars, and it is absolutely lovely. Super straight and clean. It's got the privacy glass. Just look at how clean this car is. It's incredible. I don't think this car's ever been used off-road, but I will show you the underside in a second, briefly, or as best as I can anyway. This is not your typical 14-year-old Toyota RAV. So to begin with, you can see the sills there are absolutely like new. The chassis is still all very clean. The plastics are all shiny. Even the exhaust is still shiny. It's very difficult, I'm afraid, to show you much better than this. But even up there is absolutely immaculate. The inner arches are all perfect and original. And then the rear subframe is all still very clean. You can see where I've just rubbed a bit of the dirt off there. This is all totally original. Anyway, you get the picture. I'll show you inside. The interior is equally as good. Really nice big boot. We toolkit, etc. in there. Some extra storage at the back. I do believe we've got a parcel shelf for this. Don't quote me on that though. It's got the black leather, which is all super clean. It does have rear Isofix as well, as you can see there, with the armrest and the rear electric windows. In the front, we've got the electric driver's seat. Again, charcoal black leather, your 3-spoke steering wheel, all your switch gear. Your sport button, your downhill ascent control, cruise control, paddle shifts, heated seats, folding mirrors, and your auxiliary input. Now I'll just start the car, show you there's no warnings, no funny noises, etc. Radio works very well, as you can hear there. So the mileage is 62578. No warnings, all very smooth. Got the FM radio with CD auxiliary. It does say DAB, but it doesn't do anything. Whether or not you can get an extra aerial for it and make the DAB work, I don't know. We've got your dual climate control, gear selectors with your manual mode. You can also use the paddle shifts, as I've already shown you. Armrest, top glove box, and your main glove box with all your handbooks, and that is it. You will not find a tidier example than this. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a viewing. Thanks for watching.